Okay now. Let's go back inside. Uh-oh. It's a long way down. I don't know if I really want to do this anymore. Right, for the hamster. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wah! Tumble, tumble, tumble. Ooh. Ah! Again. No way am I doing that again. Okay. On our way again. Woohoo! Little hamster guy, will you be eating those jelly beans anytime soon? Mine. Okay, gosh. I'll bring you inside to the house. I know Grace and Nutmeg will love you. Grace, Nutmeg, I brought home someone new. I wonder what she brought home. Yeah, maybe it's a treat. Hey guys. Woof, woof. Meow, meow. Woof, woof. Meow, meow. What's that? Woof, woof. Hey guys, hey. Okay. It's okay. Don't worry, little guy. This is who we brought home. He's a little scared. A hamster. You brought me home that tasty morsel. Wow, Praline, get off. Now, guys, this little hamster here is not for eating. Then what's he even for? I don't know. Or is it a she? Are you a he or a she? She's a she. Well, she's going to be our new pet. Don't bark. Hey, Grace. No chasing her. She's scared. I found her trapped in the bushes. Yes. So we have to be very nice to her, okay? Okay. Ruff, 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 ruff. Maybe she won't be so bad. You'll never know. Hamsters, from my experience, are always bad news.